Hey guys, Minecraft Golden Armor here, and today we are going to just play my work because after Grim died, I went to Tank and he put up signs. He put up like 3 signs. The first sign was, yay, today is your birthday. Yeah, 27th September is my birthday. No, my birthday is 5 July. My Minecraft birthday, 27 September. So I make one up. So it's 27 September, my Minecraft birthday, and he said he gave me a Minecraft present together with Aioda. They paid for me this. I don't know what was it. I didn't go to present yet. And he said, just the second one, he said go to the chamber area and see a diamond block and break all of it and you can get your present. That was I hope you like it. This is a present from all of us. Okay, so he asked me to play in survival. So chamber, let's put in the morning first. So go to chamber area. It's right here. This is the chamber area, guys. This is my chamber area. Oh, there's diamond block. And oh yeah, I forgot. Totally, he said break the gravel. Break the gravel. So okay. I'm just gonna close my eyes for this, I think. Shunt. What am I doing? Is that the present? An egg? A wolf egg? Moving? This is the best gift ever. The best gift ever. Thank you, guys. I can make a not like the prototype. Grim is not mine actually. I should make my own one. Own wolf? What should I name it? Skinny Bones? What should I name it? What should I name it, What should I? I don't know what should I name it. What should I name it? Swag. Yeah, I think I can name it Swag. And someone give me, oh yeah, chef cooked for me a bone. I get the present. Swag. Tame. Supposed to tame you. Come on, Swag. Swag. Come on. I need one bone. Go creative. And let me take a bone. And where are you, Swag? Swag. Aww, Swag. so much. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks. The wolf, the egg you gave me, Swag's here. I made him. Thank you so much. And doctor, I mean chef, give me the bone. Chef, thank you for the bone. I made Swag. What? Where is he? He's somewhere here. Hey, Swag. 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 Oh my god. Where is he, Swag? Swag! Come here. Come here, Swag. There you go, Chef. See, Swag. How cute is he? Yes, thank you so much, guys. And I know you saved Grim. I know you tried. Thank you so much. So much. For you? Oh yeah, we'll give you a painting. Yeah. You love the painting? Oh, sure. Let me try to put Let me try to spawn zombie. Zombie. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much, Swag. I hope you all guys enjoyed the video. Swag. Yeah. Swag. I hope you all enjoyed the video. And please like the video. Please subscribe. And I love Swag so much. And wear a golden armor. Bye, guys.